What's up, guys? We're back with another video. So today we're going to the track. It's been a while. It's been almost a year. We got a new little tune in it to fix the little idle and the takeoff. Just did a little bit of adjustment. We're here with Ryan Bishop. We're going to be doing some testing. As you can see, I took out the seats, but I left everything else in it. How's the E85 looking?
Yeah, pretty good. Right now it's sitting at E85.
There you go. Not bad, not bad.
Maybe a little bit below.
Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we made it to the track. We already checked in. We got the wristband. And I chose the X lane because, to be honest, since I haven't came here in a while, and like I said, we adjusted a few things. I'm going to be doing just mostly testing today to see what's the best way I can hook. Maybe second gear. Maybe, launching the higher RPM. Just trying to figure out what's the best way to race with this car. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to go to get my NHRA license because this car obviously is a 9-second car, but sometimes they have a lot of requirements for a stock car. It cannot be modified, so we'll see if they let us. So stay tuned. All right, we're ready to go. Tire pressure is already set, tape is on. We tried to get the NHRA license, but the process is kind of complicated. They don't have the forms here, so at least I got the X lane. You have to run under a 670 for that. So I could run with a public, or I could run the X lane, which is pretty much one lane only, and I won't be racing anybody. But the whole point here is obviously testing, see how the car feels, and just trying to see what's the best way to get the best 60 foot. Woo! All right, here we go. First pass. All right, first pass of the day. Oh man, it was not bad. It's still a bad 60 foot. I wasn't able to hook, but I also forgot to take the air filter off because I usually race without it. Gonna try to give it a little bit more power, see what happens. The prep is kind of bad today, so that's always an issue.
Challenger over the burger lane, getting ready to go.
Well, guys, it happened. It was just about time. This car has been overdue. 4 years on E85, 1,000 horsepower to the wheels, stock transmission, stock engine, stock cam, stock heads, stock supercharger, stock axles. And you guys saw it. We just ran our new personal best. Finally. And something went off right before the finish line. But man, I don't know what's gonna happen, how I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna try to get a tow truck. But yeah, I heard it. I tried to start the car. It sounds really freaking weird. I don't know if it's the motor or the trans. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure. Kind of overwhelmed right now with the tow and the people calling me and just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do right now. So, what's up, what's up? So, shit, hopefully it's nothing big. I'll keep you guys posted though. No way, dude! The whole time I thought I blew it up. The freaking little piece from the headlight intake that comes with the intake that holds the tube, it got stuck on the throttle body. I'll show you guys the pictures right here. Moment of truth. I mean, they already kicked me out of the track because they said I broke down, but please, please God, if you love me. No way! Let's go! Woo! MPR Motorsports for the win, baby.
So lucky if this thing went in there, it would have been bad.
Let's go! Sheesh! I guess we're going back. They haven't given me a warning. That should be the first warning. Let's go beat that time. Well, guys, there it is. Look at that. 612 at only 112 miles an hour. So usually I run like 114, like high 114s, 115s with like a 148 60 foot or 1.5 something 60 foot. So I'm assuming that could have been like a 6.0 flat or very possibly like a 5.99. This could have been in the 5s today, but that stupid little foam thing came off. So I'm really excited right now. I'm kind of like nervous and confused, and I don't know what's happening, to be honest. I thought I was going home on a tow truck. I thought I blew up the whole car, but the car is completely fine. It's doing really good. Thank you, big thank you to NPR Motorsports, man. I cannot believe this freaking car. There's not a single complaint about it. 4 years now on E85, not a single issue. And we're kicking ass today. We're pretty much, I think I'm the fastest Hellcat here today, if I'm not mistaken. They already kicked me out, to be honest, but they forgot to take my wristband. So I'm gonna see if I can sneak in again and run it again. Hopefully I don't spin, and hopefully they don't catch me over there and return me or kick me out again. So maybe we'll do one more pass if they let me, maybe two. We'll see what happens. So stay posted. Definitely getting the attention today. Fast, good looking. Hell yeah. That guy right there just told me I have to do a 60 foot only. They caught me before I do a full pass. Damn it! We'll just do a 330, I guess. Alright. Well, I tried, guys. I tried. He saw I ran a 612, so he wouldn't let me run again. Fan love. Say hi to the camera, man. Just a show car. Here we go, guys. We're back in the garage with the Hellgato sitting pretty next to the ACR, but yeah, I almost went for the third full pass, and the guy warned me at the window, so I was like, I'll just do a 60 foot. I did a little test. It was decent. I could have went for the third pass, but I don't want to piss off the guys and have them kick me out next time. But we will go back for that 6.0 or 5.9. I know my voice is kind of weird right now. I've been kind of somewhat sick, but I'm getting a little bit better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and peace out.